I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming you can receive login codes. This prevents lockout. Open the Instagram app or desktop site, sign in, and go straight to your profile. Once there, tap the three-line menu, then Settings. Make sure your email and phone are current so a reset link or code reaches you. If not, update them now. You want two-factor authentication ready, either SMS or an authenticator app, so when you change credentials, you still retain secure access. Now change your username. Open Edit Profile and replace the username field. Try a few variations if the first is taken because Instagram enforces uniqueness immediately. Once you find an available ID, save the change and review how this affects tagged posts, saved links, and bio links. Old mentions won't redirect. If you rely on verification or business links, make sure to update external profiles and Google search entries. You're changing identity publicly, so pick something consistent and easy to update elsewhere. Finish by updating your password. In Security right arrow password, enter your current password, then type a new strong passphrase and confirm. Use a unique combination of words, numbers, and symbols. Avoid reusing passwords. After changing, log out of other devices if concerned, and reauthorize any connected apps. If you can't change because you're locked out, choose Forgot Password, follow the email or SMS steps, and use account recovery with verification codes. Keep a screenshot of any recovery messages in case you need support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.